Oh, no way!
We're gonna have a look.
No way! His first time in front of a camera.
Today, we're getting Bruno a friend. Oh, and Morgan a friend too, of course. A brand new baby friend. Would you like a friend? Martin, for goodness sake, get back. Nobody wants to see this up close. They're so grateful to me. They're so cute. Morgan, I need you.
Stop filming.
No.
I trust you whenever you're filming.
Morgan, I need you to do me a little favour, and it's really nice. I need you to come in the car with me on a little journey.
Where are you going to
okay?
take me then? Where are you taking me?
I can't tell you, it's
Foster
a surprise.
home? Foster
No.
care? No. Okay, let's go.
Really?
Let's go.
Oh,
Why
good.
didn't you mention? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
If I'd
Let's
have
go.
known it
Let's
was
go.
that easy, I'd have just said, let's go for some food.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, come the flip on. You have to pay for foster care, Mum. You have to pay for foster care. You have to pay for boarding school. Oh, gosh.
And this, do you want to go and see?
I don't. Whoa.
Oh, haven't we? So it.
Oh, no way.
We're gonna have a look.
No way. Mum, no way.
Yeah.
No way. No way. Oh, sugar. Yes. Yes. Yes.
To make
Oh
sure
my
that they
God.
look okay.
Oh my God. So that. Oh my God.
Are you ready to
No
go?
way. A friend for Bruno. I can't believe it.
Just watch it behind it. So we're gonna let everyone to name it.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Do you like him? Do you like him?
Oh, yeah. He likes me. Oh! Oh, I couldn't find that.
And he probably likes you more than me. Oh. Oh. This one's mental.
This is his kennel name's Charming Count, and he's got little pug called, we don't know. I think,